right. So this boomerang is part of a set actually. This is the balancing bird. Uh, this version was made by Dave Hendricks. I'm gonna put the original design in the comments. I guess I saw it somewhere. And yeah, pretty nice boomerang actually. I like it. So this is part of a set. So these are supposed to be the wings of a bird, and then a little head comes here. I'm gonna put the picture also on the channel and the post. All right. So again, balancing bird by Dave Hendricks. This is the maker and the original design. I'm gonna post it later in the comments.